Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken taco salad. First, gather all your fresh ingredients like crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and creamy avocado. Next, prepare your chicken by dicing it into small, even pieces. Then, cook the chicken with taco seasoning until it's perfectly browned and flavorful. Finally, assemble your salad layers for a quick and satisfying meal that's ready in about 20 minutes. Let's start with the chicken. Dice about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast into small, bite-sized pieces. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Cook the chicken for about 5 minutes until it's no longer pink. Then, stir in 1 packet of your favorite taco seasoning and 1/2 cup of water. Let it simmer until the liquid has mostly evaporated, about 3 to 5 minutes. Now for the fun part, assembling your salad. Begin with a generous base of crisp shredded lettuce in a large bowl. Next, add your warm, flavorful taco chicken. Then, layer in your favorite toppings like 1 cup of drained black beans, 1 cup of corn, and 1 cup of diced tomatoes. Finish with a sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese and a handful of crushed tortilla chips for that satisfying crunch. To complete your chicken taco salad, drizzle it generously with your preferred taco or ranch dressing. For an extra creamy touch, add a dollop of sour cream or plain Greek yogurt. Garnish with fresh cilantro, sliced green onions, or creamy avocado slices. This easy method ensures a delicious and satisfying meal every time. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade, customizable taco salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.